Oh yeah, here it is. Sitting at the table here, and it looks like an AX24.
Oh yeah, sweet buddy.
Oh, the light sucks. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet. Look at that thing. Alright, let's cut this open. See what it's like in there. Oh yeah. Let's get right into her. Dun, 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 dun. I went with the black one because it's more better for me. Oh yeah, more better. Ooh.
Oh man. Oh buddy. Sweet.
Oh yeah. Oh, can't see it.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Oh, it's so bouncy. Get the trusty metal shears. Cut through almost anything. Oh my goodness.
Oh, is that sweet?
Yeah. Oh, it's so twisty. So twisty. Wonder where its tipping point is. That's not too bad. Needs a little taking off the top there. Pretty cool. Ooh, that. Ooh, that's rough. Holy cow! What the hell? That's brutal. That needs to be switched out. Okay, that's awkward.
Oh, you want?
Why? Why did you use Velcro? Oh, that sucks. Okay, pretty groovy. This is dumb. Why would they do that? Okay, so that's going to be really difficult to get an aftermarket battery into that. I don't think my 450s will go into there. Oh, that needs to be flipped out. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of work to get most of the stuff nice and low. Okay, so there's more room in there for a motor than I thought. Oh yeah, we'll be able to get a barrage in there. Oh, maybe not. Looks like that link screw is probably going to be in the way. So we're going to need to do some mods to this thing. But overall, it's pretty cool. Nice and twisty. Flip out those servos for a couple of Emacs because they're nice and cheap and they got good strength to them. I don't need fancy servos a lot of other people buy. Spend name brand money on stuff. A turn that goes about 0.1 milliseconds quicker. Hilarious. Not bad, not bad. Don't need stickers on there.
Aw.
Come on, buddy. There we go. Pull that off. Cool. Now let's hook it up and take her for a run. Alright, first thing I did, disconnect the lights. Oh yeah, do not like lights on these things. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Damn, this little thing could be pretty cool. Let's see how it attempts this. Actually, let's try it up the little channel there. Valley. needs serious power. This is... Oof. Oh wow, that's rough. So this thing's really prone to flipping. Come on, yeah, nice. Oh, the twist is crazy. But there's that. This thing's gonna need so much work. Oof. Yep, Carpet Mountain's kicking this thing's butt. Oof. Like, just this first bump is horrid. Like, worst filming I'm doing too. Let's crank the power up. That looks like it needs the four-wheel steering for this little valley. Oh. Which is which way now? Oh, not bad. No, can it follow through? Nope.
Bad driver. Bad driver.
Yes. Oh man, is this thing goofy? Oh man, it just... Yeah, so somebody else was saying that, like, when you get into stuff, these back wheels will just start turning like that. So that's why they say increase or tighten up that little servo saver. So I'm going to do that quickly, see if it performs any better. Just tighten up the servos a little bit. Oh, nice. Yeah, tighten up that servo makes a huge difference. Actually made it up there. Let's See if we can do anything steep. Alright, this little bit right here. Most of the trucks. Yeah. There's no way. Look at that. It's at the verge there. Any torque, and it's done. This thing needs weight so badly. Trying to take a little different route here. Oof. There we go. Now this is probably going to kick its butt. It's already lifting. Alright, so out of the box, this thing is pretty bad. Like, oof. So I'm guessing this is a rock bouncer, not a crawler. So to make it a crawler, it's gonna cost you quite a bit of money. So if you just want a goofy little rock bouncer that has a tendency to flip all the time because its center of gravity's horribly positioned. Like that's what Axial thought was a good idea. Putting the majority of the weight like that high up. I think the engineers at Axial need a deck kick really badly. Because that is a horrible design. Like for stock, why would you put like the majority of the weight up high? Eek. They could have stretched it like just a little bit longer. Just a bit to make it all fit, but I don't know. Very bizarre. Did they overpay for somebody to make them a four-wheel steering ESC this size, or what the hell's happening? Where'd the money go into this thing? It's not the servos. Like, those things are dirt cheap. It's not the battery. Overpriced engineer designing this thing? I don't know what happened. But it fails extremely badly. As a crawler, that is. This thing is not a crawler. A rock bouncer. And like, oh, it's like, just look at that. That's so terrible. Oh, this thing's gonna need some serious mods to even become normal. Yeah. So far, I've played with it for, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, and it sucks. Just straight up, it is not good. Everybody's praising them. Woo! No, they're not. They're gonna need some mods before they're even close to being decent. Yeah. I don't know what they were thinking when they did this. Like, there's so much room in that motor area. They could have, yeah. Axial, you failed badly on this one, man. Whew, I don't know what you were thinking.